Is your HiSense Roku TV showing looking for signal or HDMI no signal or a black screen on one of the HDMI inputs? Don't worry, it could just be a small connection or settings issue. Here's how to quickly fix the problem. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your device, whether it's a PS5, Xbox, streaming box, or laptop, is actually powered on. A lot of times, it's just something simple like that. Then press the home button on your Roku remote and double-check that you're on the right HDMI input, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3. Sometimes the TV is completely fine, and it's just set to the wrong input. Now, check the HDMI cable itself. Sometimes the connection gets a little loose, and the TV can't detect the signal properly. Go ahead and unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the connected device. Also, take a quick look inside the HDMI port for any dust or debris. If you see anything, use a soft brush or an air blower to gently clean it out. Then, you may need to push it in a little more to make sure it's fully seated in the port. If the cable looks fine, but you're still getting the issue, try doing a cold boot on the TV. Unplug the HDMI cable from the TV and TV's power cable from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button underneath the TV for around 30 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power and refresh the TV system. After that, plug the TV back in and reconnect your HDMI device. If you're using an HDMI splitter, switcher, or any kind of adapter, go ahead and remove it for now. Connect your device directly to the TV's HDMI port to rule out any connection issues. Also, try swapping the HDMI cable with a different high-speed one. Sometimes the cable itself is the problem. And if you're using a soundbar, make sure it's plugged into the HDMI ARC port, not a regular HDMI input. If your HDMI device still isn't showing up, make sure HDMI-CEC is enabled on your TV. Press the home button on your remote, then go to Settings. From there, open System, then go into Control Other Devices and check One Touch Play and also System Standby. If nothing has worked so far, then it might be a hardware issue. It could be a damaged HDMI port, a motherboard problem, or even an issue with the device you're trying to connect. In that case, the best option is to contact HiSense customer support or reach out to a qualified technician for help. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the HDMI no signal issue on your HiSense Roku TV. If this video helped, stay tuned with Fix369 for more tips and tricks.